Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
The next improvement that you will notice in WordPress 6.0 is to the group block. Now, if you have been using group blocks, then you must be familiar with the fact that it lets you customize almost every aspect of it, including the width of the contents, but it does not allow you to change the layout. Now, let me take you to the group block in WordPress 5.9, which is right over here. I've created this group block. When I select it, what it shows is inherit the default layout, change the width of the content, how wide it is going to be, whatever. These are the changes. Then the color, border dimensions, and everything, the spacing, and then the advanced option. But there are no options for the to change the layout. Now in WordPress 6.0 this has changed, and two new block types or variants of group blocks have been introduced, and these are row and stack. Now let me show you. Now this is a group block. I'm gonna select it. You can see right over here, this is the transform to row and this is the transform to stack. So these are the two new layout options or two new variants of the group block that has been introduced in the WordPress 6.0. Now you are seeing these here. You can add them through the block inserter as well. Let me show you. You can see row and stack, row and stack. Okay, you can add them from here as well, and using these options you will be able to basically create responsive layout using the Gutenberg editor. Now I will be going into details of about these new variants in some other video, or maybe in the WordPress 6.0 video that I am going to do as a comparison style video. So in that video probably I'll go into a little bit more detail about these and will describe these options to you as well. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.